control volume without volume buttons on Android device. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to control your volumes without any physical buttons or volume buttons on your Android device without any using third-party apps. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you just have to go to the settings on your Android device. Once you are on the settings page, you have to select the option of sound and vibration. On this page, you will see the option of media, ringtone, notifications and alarm. So using this sound and vibration page, you can simply select the slider and increase or decrease the volume of media, ringtone, notifications and alarm. If you wish to volume down, then you can simply slide the slider towards the left. If you want to increase the volume, then you can tap on the slider and increase towards the right. Let me show a demo. I'm sure that you got the information well.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.